how to set up an online course with Wix. In order to do that, just go to your apps right here and click on this market. Now, this will open the Wix app market right here. Now, once it's loaded, you can click on this search apps right here and then search in here for course. So once you have searched in here for course, you can see this Wix online programs. Head over and click on that, and then you should be able to see the actual right here. So you can create and sell online courses for your community with this application. Click on this add to site right here, and then from in there, this will add this right here. So you just need to go to your editor to place this on your site. Click on this go to editor, and then it will open the Wix website editor on this new page right here. So as you can see, it's adding right now the Wix online programs. So just wait for this to be added. So as you can see right now, it's been added, and you can see in here this program list. Don't worry, because you can still rename that later as courses. So you can head over to this program list right here and then just go to that menu. So we have in here the pages and menu. Click on this icon right here, then go in here to program list. So once you have done that, you should be able to see in here the page that will have your program list right here. So we have in here this placeholder courses that you can choose. So this right here is actually still a placeholder. So you can head over and click on these programs. Click on the Spanish programs right here, and then this will open your dashboard. So onto your dashboard right here, you can add or edit out or delete some courses that you have available. So take note that you can actually price it, or you can add in here a free course, or you can also make this a paid course. So we have in this right here, click on this get started. So let's choose your online course and click on this next. And you can start fresh, or you can customize using a template like this one's right here. Now you can choose templates, or you can start fresh. Then once you have done that, you can see that. So for example, right now this price is free, but take note, you can also change that. You can make that pay to join, and you can choose in here a one-time payment or a recurring payment if you want. So for example, let's put in here a one-time payment of $999. Then you can also include in here a pricing plan if you want. You can also create a coupon if you want to add discount to your program. Click on the save right here. And then just put in here the pricing plan, number of participants, and everything you have right here. Now, once you have saved that, it shall be added right here. We have in your program settings. And you can see here the basic infos and a lot more. So you can head over and then add in here the groups. And from in there, you just need to add your payment method in order to receive payments using the online course that you want. So that's how you set up an online course with Wix. Hope we helped.